Want to do a quick video to show you the solution that I came up with in my 2020 Ford Explorer. We wanted to keep the dashboard clean and run a power cable from the center console up to the Qi wireless gripping style mount, because I felt that was a much better spot for my phone instead of this Qi charging unit down here, which if any notification pops up, you may or may not be able to see it on the screen, which is limited. It's about half the size of the screen, and every once in a while using the phone is a lot more convenient. So what you got to do is, if you reach down under here, you'll see there's a little panel, and if you get your fingers up between here, you can pull this unit straight away. That's all you got to do. This whole unit just comes straight out. And don't be shy. Give it a nice little pull. There are clips that are here, 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 and down here, and it all stays intact. And what I did is, as you can see that cable back there, I just ran a regular micro USB out of the USB up to the side, and what I did is I'm able to clip it down, and it leaves it, a little bit gap. I guess I could drill it out, but I really don't want to. As you can see, it just kind of goes up, hides in there, and it comes out back over here. And what I'm able to do now is, since this Samsung branded Qi charger allows for a micro USB, I just got a micro to USB-C connector that goes directly into the bottom of my Samsung S10 Plus. So of course, it'll go into the S20 and all the new Note phones. But if you're going to use Android Auto, all you got to do is put this adapter on and then plug it directly into the bottom of your phone, as opposed to into the Qi charger. Now, I found that the hands-free kit in here is pretty good. If all you're going to be doing is making phone calls and things like that, and you're not going to be wanting to put Waze over here onto the screen, this works perfectly fine. But in the occasion that you do want to use the Android Auto, you just put the adapter on, unplug it real quick, and then drop it into the bottom of the phone. I can't do that right this second for you because I'm holding the phone with which we'd be plugging in, and that's not going to work out. So just want to give you a quick idea of how to pop it off. Again, there's no reason to pop any of this off or any of this off. It's pretty simple. You just reach down here, get your fingers in here, pull straight away. I got some pictures of it off that I'll try to post, but it's pretty simple. Everything comes out in one piece and goes right back into as one piece if you want to hide your cable like I did. Thank you very much.